எக்ஸ்ட்ரா சார்ஜஸோ இல்லை டிரான்சாக்ஷன் சார்ஜஸ்ன்னு இருக்கலாம் மேபி. அது முடிஞ்ச அளவு கம்மியாக இருந்தாலும் இல்லைனா இல்லாமல் இருந்தாலுமே நம்மளுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். நம்ம இப்போ ₹5 கொடுத்து போகிறது அதே ₹5 கொடுத்து இந்த டிரான்சாக்ஷன் கார்டில் போனால் இட் வில் பி மோர் யூஸ்ஃபுல்.
அண்மை செய்திகளுக்கு இணைந்திருங்கள். இது நியூஸ் 18 தமிழ்நாடு.
Good evening everyone. I am Dr. Madhukar Raj, MD physician from Chennai. So today's topic is about hypertension. So hypertension is one of the leading non-communicable diseases in India. So now, how to control hypertension? What is this hypertension? What has to be done? So how to control hypertension? In order to control hypertension, what has to be done is you have to measure your BP regularly. So in this condition, if you have any problems, you have to come to the clinic and check your BP and follow the advice given by the doctor. The most important cause for hypertension is stress, number 1. Number 2 is your obesity. Number 3, it is you can go ahead with your lifestyle modifications. So what has to be adapted is, number 1 is to maintain the stress level, and number 2 about the lifestyle modification. So what can be done? So strictly follow the advice which has to be given by which has been given by the doctor. So control your BP. What all medications the doctor is giving, please do follow the medications. Do not self-medicate and follow the lifestyle modification instructions which is given by the doctor. So all these 3 things plays a vital role in controlling the hypertension. So in fact, about concluding this particular topic, what we have to do is, you have to remember that you have to measure your BP. Number 2, you have to maintain your BP. Number 3, you have to manage your BP. So how to measure your BP? How often you have to come to the clinic? If at all, if you think that there is some problem with your health, then come to the clinic and then check your BP levels. Number 2, if the advice given by the doctor has to be strictly followed, and the lifestyle modifications pertain to stress management as well as your eating abilities has to be changed so that we can bring a healthy lifestyle tomorrow. Thank you.
Issued in public interest by Unison Pharmaceuticals. நீரின்றி அமையாது உலகு. பொதுநல அக்கறையுடன் வேலம்மாள்.